Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now today's video I have a special guest and it is my boyfriend Anthony. Insert subtitle. So we're gonna be doing the boyfriend.
I guide her through her hairstyle. Yeah,
that is gonna be that. So he's gonna watch a YouTube video of somebody doing a curly hairstyle and he's gonna guide me through it. I have all my tools here and we're just gonna go from there. So I initially saw this video from Jessie Smiles and I was like, oh, that's really cool.
Oh, you did?
But then, yeah, you don't know who that is. And then I saw Nikki Limo did it with Steve Green. I saw 50% of the video. The video's like, how long is the video? 25 minutes?
It's like an hour. 30 minutes.
30 minutes, and I saw like 15 minutes of it, and I was like, yo, I should see this video with Anthony. We saw the remaining portion. He laughed, I laughed, he cried, I cried. So then I was like, yo, let's do a video.
I was like, we about to argue. We're going to get in a fight.
So I was like,
get in a fight.
So I was like, we should probably do this video where he's guiding me through a hairstyle. So that is the end of the intro.
Make or break.
Oh, make or break? You really think it's going to be like that?
We just, no yelling. It'll be good.
I'm mad cool.
But am I?
No. So he's going to look through Chelly's curls on YouTube. I told it to look through her videos.
Okay, it's right there.
But choose a style. It's in my history, yeah. Go all the way down and choose a good hairstyle. So he's going to go ahead and pick something. Babe, I see it.
But you don't know what I'm choosing.
It's already
don't look, close your eyes.
I can't help it. You know when someone has like a cell phone and they're using it, I'm always looking at what they're doing.
There's too many styles you've done on your own channel.
Yeah. Way back in the day.
Yeah. You looked at this? This was 8 months ago she posted this? You only got halfway through.
I already looked at this video before?
Halfway through the video.
Okay, hopefully
I'm not going to tell you. Maybe I shouldn't have told you that. It don't matter anyways. I'm putting headphones on.
The thing with me is that I don't really follow directions well. When I don't know what's going on, I just make it up. So.
You about to do your own thing.
Yeah. That's how I am. Okay,
I hope you have everything you need.
Yeah, I was like, it might be a braid knowing her. I got this. Got hair clips. She does her edges, so I do my edges. Water, styling products.
I think you got this.
If I forget anything, I'll just go in there.
I hope I don't choose a bad style though. Like that's not even a hairstyle. It says it's a look. It's a
look. Okay. Oh boy.
She said hello. Welcome back.
Oh, welcome back to my channel.
She's very happy.
Okay, Anthony, let's go. I'm getting nervous.
Do I fast forward?
No, you can fast forward or something.
She said it's cold.
She lives in New York, so I imagine it's cold.
She's gonna slay her hair.
I hope I do that too.
Oh, you could do it. It's slayed. She already co-washed her hair. You washed your hair yesterday.
I washed my hair yesterday. It's pretty clean.
Okay. There's a lot of advertisement going on about Cantu.
Is this a sponsored video? No. Oh, with the Cantu line. I think I tried that from Ulta exclusive.
Yeah.
There's a video on that.
Very frizzy. No hate. It's frizzy.
Don't hate me. Don't come for me, man. Don't come for me. Don't at me.
She's going to be doing a braid.
Okay.
You're going to be doing a braid.
Okay.
Not her.
Anthony, I got 2 bars in my battery in my camera. Should I put in the battery?
We got this.
Okay.
Alright, so starting off, you're going to do a side part. Do a side part, like mine. Side part.
Okay,
Where's
this is kind of a side part.
Yeah, do a side part. Like starting here. Backwards.
All the way back?
Not all the way down. Halfway back.
But my hair already looks good. This is day 2
hair. No,
you
gotta part this.
Oh my god, my hair looks nice.
Yeah, so you're gonna start apart like halfway to here.
Oh my god, my hair's not gonna go there.
Do a whole side part. I paused the video.
Thank you, Anthony.
You gotta make it into a little box, she said.
A box?
Okay, then you're gonna part down this way. You're making a little box.
A box?
Yeah. And now you gotta make a box. You gotta part down.
I should have got like a... Okay, it's gonna go down.
She didn't use wet hair because she's saying she don't want her hair too wet.
Okay.
Go a little more back. Make your box more back.
Like angled?
Yeah, behind your ear.
Behind my ear?
Yeah.
Did she clip this away?
She clipped this top part away. And right now this is just a box. This is still just there. I'm supposed to... Oh, okay. I gotta tell you everything.
She clipped it like this?
No. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, and then this,
You're just right now you're just leaving this. I'll do something. She just has it parted.
Okay.
Alright, now put your cream. Wait, what? I'm lost. Hold on.
Okay.
I don't even know what just happened. I was too busy telling you what to do.
Did you not put
She didn't even tell me what to do. She just all of a sudden did a cut, and we had a thing on her hair. What do you call that? A clip.
A clip?
So get rid of all your hair except for your box.
What do you mean get rid of all my hair?
Cut it off.
What do
your box, keep your box here and everything else in the clip.
Oh.
All your hair into the clip.
Okay, I could just clip it like this.
Yeah. No, all of it. Like you gotta do like that.
Should I do a pineapple?
No, just have it. You're good right there.
Okay, I'm good. Cause
you're good.
Okay.
Have your box. Because she made her little box and all of a sudden she had a clip.
Okay.
She applied defining cream to her hand.
Did she wet her hair?
And no wet.
I feel like I need to wet my hair.
She didn't wet her hair.
Defining cream? Okay, I'll
defining
use this.
cream, so leave-in conditioner, same thing.
I don't know, and I'm stuck. I'll probably use a little bit of this.
She used something with a pump.
Okay, I pumped.
Defining
she didn't wear her hair at all?
No, her hair's not wet. She's like, I'm not doing it wet.
Damn it. Okay.
Now, put that cream all on the box. All the way to the roots to end. Okay. And she went with a little bit of gel for extra hold.
Okay. I didn't bring a gel.
I'm doing great.
Did she detangle?
No. Well, she just went quick through her hair.
Okay. Okay.
Like this. Last but certainly not least, edge control paste.
Okay, I have this. Wow.
She's using a brush and she's holding her edges.
Okay, what should she do with edge control?
I don't know. Just lay her edges on the box.
Okay, so did she put her brush in here?
Yeah, she did the brush.
Okay, I'm not gonna put my brush in.
Brush. Nope. On the boss. Use your brush. Okay. On the boss.
Brush in here? Because she used a...
She dipped her brush in edge control. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like that.
And then she put her brush in here?
It's canned too. But yeah, she put her brush in there.
Okay.
And then you lay your edges. Lay them edges.
This isn't that strong.
It's strong. Oh. You don't have any other one?
This is the only edge control I have.
Oh, damn.
Okay, how she lay like
just
this?
Lay in your edge. No, lay them down. Just your edges.
This is edges.
Just here.
Oh, here?
Downwards. Yeah.
Is she like this?
She just went downwards. Not that far. Don't do your ear. Just here.
Okay.
Do it like that. Backwards towards your head. She has a weird hairline. Oh, I don't think that matters.
Okay. I know what you're talking about because she mentioned that before. Like that's why
she said her dad gave her a weird hair.
Okay. I know. Okay. Hey girl, if you're seeing this. Okay.
Alright, now you're going to start braiding.
Okay.
Don't braid so tight.
She didn't detangle? Her hair's probably...
No, it's already like...
Oh, how am I...
No, it's like yours.
Okay. And then she detangled...
Well, I mean, her hair was like detangled looking. But she didn't tell me this.
Okay, yeah, no,
I'm following her.
Okay. My edges...
Is your hair tangled?
I can't put my hands through it.
Put your hands... Detangle it. Detangle it. If you know how to braid, you could do it.
Okay. Also, I have a mirror here. It's really far back, so I can't tell if these are super laid.
Them is laid.
They look laid? They look like hers?
Yours is laid.
Okay, thank you.
You're looking good.
Okay, so I'm going to start the braid.
No,
right?
You gotta detangle that, you said.
No, I can do it.
You could braid if you know how to braid.
Oh, honey, I know how to braid.
She just braided. She didn't tell me what to do.
Did she braid
Wait, hold on, I'll tell you. So braid, not just straight down. I don't want to touch your hair because that's cheating.
Okay.
But like go at like an angle.
So
follow the box from one corner.
Braid it back?
Yeah. One corner to the other corner.
Okay.
You could do that with all that, yeah. You could wet it. Go ahead. You know, we got some creative liberty.
Okay. So she braided back?
She braided back. She went to like halfway.
What does that mean?
Halfway? Like braid your hair halfway down.
Halfway down, so...
Well, braid all the way, use all the whole hair.
Use the whole
But then
hair.
like halfway.
Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Halfway.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Like once you complete the box.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Once I complete...
Don't do it tight, because she said you're going to loosen it. You want to start over?
Okay, this is halfway. Did she put a...
Keep going. And then she put a rubber band. No, you good.
Is this good?
Just put a rubber band. That's good. Put a rubber band. However you like though.
It looks like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that you have your braid in place, unclip your hair. All of a sudden, she pinned her hair towards the back of her head. No, but like put it under all this. Yeah, and just pin it there.
Oh, okay. What's up? Oh, she put a bobby pin.
Even she didn't tell me. She just started. She said, "Style the rest of your hair."
So I'm gonna take this out.
Style your hair the way you normally would, but pin that to the back somehow. She just put it to the back of her head.
Underneath.
And then all of a sudden there's a cut. I'm giving you what I'm giving.
Okay.
Get it off your ear. You gotta have your ear. You gotta hear.
Oh, you're giving me really good directions.
You're looking good. You're killing this style. Wait, what? Hold on. I'm confused. Hold on. I don't know what's going on.
She's doing a different... I don't like
okay, all of a sudden, she has a bun. Her hair's in a bun, but she has bottom parts down here. But the rest of her hair...
Wait.
Put the top part of your head in a bun.
That makes no sense.
Because she's like doing something with the bottom. She's about to do something with the bottom.
Yeah,
put all that up. Except for... No, like, you gotta have two little bottom back ends. Like, two pigtails. I know what I'm talking about.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
She didn't tell me nothing. Hold on. She says... She starts from the bottom and works her way up to style her hair. Put more of that up. Keep that away. There we go. You got it. You got it, babe. We got this routine.
I just hope my battery doesn't die.
We're still at 50%.
It's gonna die quick.
Okay, now let's see. She has less hair down there.
Does she have any hair down here?
Like two little baby strands.
What?
Like about 2 inches thick. 2 inches thick.
I'm gonna put this down.
No. Like that, yeah, perfect.
This was down the whole time.
Even. You're mad at me.
I'm just confused.
You're not watching.
I'm Confucius.
We're doing great. You saturate your ends with water. And she's using a Denman brush out of nowhere.
I have a Denman brush.
You better get it.
She really detangled it?
She didn't even do anything. Hold on, you.
It's already detangled.
Hold on. Yeah, she said detangle it. Yeah, she just did quick. Really wet it. Now brush your hair.
I have to worry. Taking your glasses off.
Nice and saturated water. No, that's enough water. Just detangle it. I can't see. And then she's using defining cream. So any kind of cream you want, you have options. You've got options.
I'll just use that.
She says she's styling her hair as she normally styles. Yeah. Don't put too much. Because I don't think you're doing any type of braiding. So don't put too much stuff. Don't do too much stuff.
Okay.
That's enough.
Enough.
She's going to use the cream like she'd normally use any styling cream.
Okay.
You're not braiding.
Ooh.
So maybe... What the? She's just putting product all over her hair. So just style your hair. Okay. Undo the bun.
All of it?
All of it. All of it.
Where is this the whole time? Where is this? Where's your braid?
Right now, it's just... You're going to style... So this is the type of style we're doing now. We're going to style your hair to the side. And that's it. Style all your hair to the side. Nice and pretty. Very pretty. Yeah. And then you're going to tuck this braid behind your head. And then this is like... Everything's to the side.
So what's the point of doing this? What is this?
Well, she styles her hair different.
I could have just had it regular.
You could have just had it regular. I didn't watch the video.
Okay.
We're watching it live.
I like to tangle this. This is wet and this is dry.
Yeah, we ruined your hair.
Okay. We can fix it.
You gotta just style your hair all to the side. And then you're gonna pin this braid back there somewhere.
Big braid.
Her hair is soft, but then she's gonna let it dry.
Oh, she's gonna let her hair dry?
What the I mean...
Please don't curse. I think this looks...
You're pretty much done. This is the only step. Now all you have to do is style all your hair to the side. Like you're doing an extreme part. Extreme!
This is not that extreme. Is there more extreme?
No. Pin up the braid. All she did, pin it up here in the back of your head. Pin up the braid here. Like just pin that there. We're like 75% there. Alright, but then you could have some hair down here. You don't have to pin your hair up.
I thought you said... First of all, this is all to the side.
Okay, put some on this side.
Up.
Put some hair on this side.
So.
Just going down behind your head, though. Behind your head. Yeah, like that. Perfect. She added some gold cuffs.
Oh, to the braid?
Yeah. You don't have to. And her hair's like really floofed up to the side. Like.
What do you mean floofed up? You mean is it volume?
It's volume right here. Like, so extreme looking part.
Oh, because it's an extreme part? Is that why there's a lot of volume?
No. It's just up.
I thought we were going to argue more throughout this video, but you chose a really basic hairstyle.
This is basically hard.
No, it wasn't.
You ain't done. It don't look good.
Okay, never mind. It don't look good. Okay.
It looks great. Yeah, put a clip there and then one at the end.
These are so dull.
Yo, are they rusty? No, more back, more back. Center. Yeah, more back. Above your ear. But do the whole braid. That's not even a whole braid. That's like
I can't see.
Smush that braid.
They're bronze.
You need some new ones. This is bronze cuffs. Oh, there's the red blinking light.
I knew it. I knew the battery was gonna die. I knew it, Anthony. You took too long.
Hurry up. Faster to the back. The last end of the braid. But do the whole braid.
You don't see it.
I see it.
It don't matter.
You look good.
Okay.
We're not done. She zoomed in on her hair. She's showing us
like
with the braid. She bobby pinned the braid towards the back.
Okay.
Get some volume.
I don't know how to.
Maybe you should wet your hair. I don't know.
I'm not. If I
no,
because
then she's
more done.
yeah.
This looks ugly.
No, it don't.
Okay.
You look good. All right, I can't touch you.
Okay, then tell me what to do.
Frizz that up. This is it.
Then
it's amazing. Can we reveal it to you? What she did?
Yeah, just reveal it. Let me see. Wait. How does it look? It looks like this.
Can we start over?
No, we can't.
We did good.
Okay, babe. Before we do the reveal, because my battery's gonna.
We're revealing it.
Wait. Does it look like this? Does her hair back or in the front?
It's back.
Everything's back. Okay, let me see.
Yeah. She did great. You listened good.
Okay.
See?
Her hair is so nice.
Yours too.
We're really well together.
My hair does not look like that. I feel like it might have been more angled.
I can't see you. Yeah, it's more angled. What's wrong with you? I told you.
You didn't say really, but this is a diagonal.
But now that I'm looking, I don't see. From here.
You're supposed to look.
No, babe. Cause turn your head sideways. It looks different from here. I thought you went like that.
You thought wrong.
Yeah. You did it.
Held my edges in place and it helped the braid look nice and shiny. And now
I don't know, man.
I think you did the style.
While diffusing, while doing all that stuff.
We can do another one.
The control paste is also.
I think we did good.
You did good.
We did good.
I'm gonna have to end it because literally I don't know when my battery's gonna die.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and have a great one.
Okay. Hey guys, so I wanted to pop in quickly and let you guys know that I really like this hairstyle now. After letting it air dry and adding a little bit more product to it, I feel like it looks good. Hopefully this is a good angle. You guys can see everything.
Show off them cuffs, girl. Ow.
I don't know. So yeah, I do like it. Maybe I might recreate it my way. I don't even know. But thank you, Anthony.
You're welcome.
Anthony, you
good
did
job
good.
Listening. You listen.
Okay. So that's it. Let's continue with the video. So that's gonna be pretty much it. I think Anthony, you did a good job. Thank you for being on my channel. I have to make this outro quick because my battery's gonna die. I don't know when. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. If you guys want to see maybe a harder video or something.
Well, we didn't. I thought it'd be harder.
Okay.
I
don't know, but we shall see what you guys want to see next down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it fun and cool. Let us know what's up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace out.